Hello boys and girls, welcome back to Billy's Blades and Tools. I know I've been doing more blades than tools. I'll be getting to some tools here eventually, but most of the time I'm messing around with knives, so it's going to be mainly knives for a while. But I've got a project here that I'm going to be working on. It's a Victorinox knife, but I bought some scales from a company called Innovyx. This is kind of what scales look like. You can get that. That's the one side. And the other side, got a couple holes in it. It's going to be for doing scales, putting the scales on, and those holes are for a clip, that pocket clip. It comes with a clip here, 2 screws. Even came with a Torx driver. You'll be able to see that very good. So it came with a little Torx driver. Put those screws on. But I'm going to be working on this knife I've been carrying. It's the Hiker, the one that I sanded the advertisement off of it. So it's in really good shape. I've been carrying it for a while. I've got this little pocket clip that I use right now, but I thought I'd test out these scales, give them a little review and see how they work. They had a sale going on where they pretty much threw in the pocket clip to attach to it, and it's the 91mm plus scales, so it's got the slot for a pen, which I don't have yet, but the toothpick or tweezers, can't remember which one goes in there, and then it's got the little slot right here for like a straight pen. So I have to order the writing pen, to go in here. Haven't got that yet, but I'm going to turn this camera around and we'll see what we can do about changing the scales out and see how they work. So hang on. Okay, we're back here. Got my knife out. Take toothpick and tweezers out of here. I'm going to take the original scales off. What I'm using here is a bamboo skewer. I got a whole bag of these. It's about twice as long as this. Normally I cut it down. I got a whole bag of these at the dollar store, and they come in handy for a lot of things. You can clean out areas in the knife. I've used it to dip in some of my mineral oil to get a little drop in somewhere that I needed, to get in a precise area. Like I say, I got a whole bag of these. I got 100 of them, but they come in handy for a lot of different uses, not just cleaning knives and whatnot, but that's what I'm going to use to take the scale off. And I just stick it in where the tweezer or the toothpick goes. It doesn't mar anything up. It gets it started. Work my way down. Scales off. Now this one's been off before, so it wasn't quite as hard to get off. And we'll work on the other side here. Just slide it in there, pry up a little bit, work my way around. Get back under here. I'll cooperate. There we go. I got that side off. So it's pretty clean because I've cleaned this knife before. You carry it around in my pocket. It might have a little fuzz in there somewhere, but to be continued. So anyway, try to put this on here, see how it goes. See how easy it is. These are, from what I understand, these are made with 3D printer. And that one's not going to snap in place as easy. So, let's put this side on. Put it on the right direction. That would help. I have to go over to my vise and get that to snap in place. But I think it's going to look pretty good. So let me take it over to my vise and get this thing to snap in place. Hang on there. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, I've got it lined up here. Got paper towel in there to help protect the scales. Got the soft jaws in there. And I'm just going to slowly close this up. And hopefully it'll snap into place. Yeah, looks like it's going in okay. Back this out. Looks pretty good. Looks like I need to get closer on the ends there. Let's see if we can get that in there. Get it to close up a little better on the ends. Yeah, that looks better. Let's do this end here. With it being brand new, it's a little harder to get that to snap into place. But looks pretty good. I like the blue. Let's go back over to the bench. Okay, back at the bench here. Looks like it's all on there pretty good. A little bit of a gap there. I'll tweak that in a little bit. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I like the blue. Now I'm going to try to put the pocket clip on. Get it out of a little baggie here. They did send an extra screw, so that's good, because they must know how I am, because I'll lose one. But got a little Torx driver here. See if we can get this thing started. Let's do this. This way. We can figure this out here. Fat fingers out of the way. A little stiff going in, but it is going in. A little delicate there, but we got it going in there. Yeah. Yeah, here we go. I think I can take this off now. Find the end. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Okay, put the toothpick in. It's a nice tight fit. Put the tweezers in. Nice tight fit. And as soon as I get a pen, I'll put that in there. And I gotta go in and get a straight pin because I don't have one out here, but I'll put that in. But let's see how it works in my pocket. All right, well, take my Kershaw out, my scallion. That's my favorite EDC. Slide it in there. Oh yeah, nice and easy. Easy in, easy out. I think I'll carry that for a while. It's got a, kind of a rough texture to it. Good grip. Yep, I think I like that. Yeah, works good. So far, so good. I'm liking the scales and the clip. Well, here it is. Works good in my pocket. Slides in and out really easy. Clip's not too stiff. Looks good. Got a nice texture to it. And they have many colors. I threw away all the paperwork that came with it, of course. I can't show you the business card and everything they sent, but I don't know if you can see this, but that's the website. Like I say, they've got multiple colors, different size for all the different size Victorinox knives. Orange, blue, gray, light blue, red, green. The pricing is really good. $12.99 for the 91mm plus scales. If you add the clip to it, it's $22.98. Not too bad. Plus shipping, of course. But so far, I really like it. So they're doing a good job. Shipping was fairly quick. It was about a week from when I ordered it. So again, I know that's hard to see, but that's the website. I guess you say Innovyx, American made. So give them a try. So far, I'm liking it. And I forgot to introduce my little buddy here. This is Billy. He's a weeble. He wobbles, but he doesn't fall down. Unlike me, I'm getting old and sometimes I do fall down. No, I'm just kidding. I am getting older, but I just have to watch what I do. But anyway, I'm glad you stopped by. If you get a chance, like, subscribe, share, give me a comment or two. But hope everybody has a good day. So you take care, and we'll talk at you next time.